WordPress is the best CMS tool available in the market, and it makes us creating website without coding. So in this video, let's see everything about WordPress. Hi guys, welcome to Fully Techy. Let's get started. First, let's have an introduction about WordPress and then let's dive into the computer. First, why do you need a website? Because everything is changing to internet, and if you don't have a website for your business, then you're definitely gonna stay back in this race. Back in those days, only programmers can create a website, but WordPress solved that problem. Now, any common man can create a website without any prior web development knowledge. WordPress is a content management system. You can also call it CMS, where you can create and manage your content. It is developed around 2003 with PHP and paired with MSQL, but I got to know about this only 3 years back. And to simply say what WordPress is a tool which allows you to create and drag and drop website. There will be a lot of templates, themes, plugins available over there. It is an open source software, so someone in the world would have created a theme or a plugin for you to use it in your website. With all these functions, WordPress is free. Yes, you heard me right. WordPress is absolutely free, and 39% of websites in this world are created using WordPress. And among top 10 million websites, 47% of websites are created using WordPress. And WordPress is being the top CMS tool in the world. There will be a lot of theme options available in WordPress. Using those themes, you can create a website within minutes. Some of the popular themes are Hestia, Astra, and Ocean WP. Again, talking about plugins, you'll be having a lot of options. If you want to create an e-commerce website, then you can install WooCommerce to get that functionality. WordPress is free, but some of the themes and plugins might cost you, but you can create a stunning website with free versions itself. And now let's get into WordPress and see what you can do with it. First, let's go through all these menus one by one. First, let's start with Home menu. When you click on Home menu, you will again come to the dashboard only. Nothing interesting. And second, we have updates. If you have any updates to any of your plugins or themes, that will come over here. You can click it and you can update it here. And then I have installed a plugin called Sitekit. It is a bit advanced for this video, so we will talk about this in our upcoming videos. Coming next, we have posts. Right now, temporarily I have installed a theme called Hestia. So for installing that theme, we got this template posts. Once I start uploading blog posts, I will delete all this and I will start from new. This is where you manage all your posts. If you want to upload any blog post, then you have to click on add new and then create your blog post. I will upload a separate video about how to upload a blog post. If that is ready, link will be available in the card and also in the description. And then next we come to media. In media, we can see all the media files of our website, including from logo to all the images and all the videos. Right now I just have my site logo and the site icon. And I also have some template images by installing Hestia theme. And then next we come to pages. So here we have some template pages. Pages are what we see in the website. For example, we have created a home page. If someone comes into fullytechy.com, they will be landed on home page first. Here only we will be creating a home page or a landing page or a product page. Whatever page we want to create, we will be creating here only. By the way, I'm a freelancer. If you want me to create a website for your business, then do contact me through Fiverr. Link will be available in the description. If you're confused about pages and posts, then I will create a separate video differentiating what is pages and posts. To create a page, we have to click on add new and then create our page. And next we come to comments. Comments, if someone comments anything on your blog post, you can see those comments right here. Now we are getting into an interesting part. We are going to see about appearance. Under appearance, click on themes. Right now, temporarily, I've installed a theme called Hestia. Themes are like templates of a website. You can install any theme and then change the text, images and fonts to make your website. So to add a new theme, click on add new. And now I'm going to search for a theme called Astra. And once you got the theme, you click on install and then activate to get the theme. Once after installing and activating a theme, you have to click on customize to make your website. I have uploaded a separate video about how to create a WordPress website. So link will be available in the card and also in the description. And now we are moving to plugins. To see what all the installed plugins you have right now, click on install the plugins. Plugins actually give you a specific function to your website. So I have a plugin called Sitekit by Google. This plugin helps you to track the traffic of your website and Search Console. To add a new plugin, click on add new. and then search for the plugin you want. Right now I'm searching for a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a page builder plugin. It helps us to create a custom designs. And once you find it, click on install now and activate. Coming next, we have users. Right now I'm the only person working on this website, so you see my profile over there. To add a new user, click on add new. Here you give your username and his email ID and change your password. I don't have this password, you'll definitely forget this. Change to something which you remember. And then give a role to your user. Here you have some of the role. Administrator will have all the powers of the website, and other roles will have some restrictions. Once you are done giving a role, click on add new user. Coming next, we go to tools. Here we have some tools like import, export, site health, personal data. Actually, you don't use any of these tools very often, so let's just move on. Let's move on to settings. Under settings, you have some menus like general, writing, reading, discussion media, permalinks and privacy. So in the general tab, you can change the general information of your website like your site name and your tagline. You can change these basic informations of your website. So once after you're done changing something, make sure you click on save changes, or else your changes will not be saved. And then we have writing here. Basically, if you're a blogger, it is important for you. Under writing tab, you see here what is your default post category. In the video about how to upload a blog post, I will clearly tell you what is a category and how do you set them. Here I will quickly tell you. By default, it is set to uncategorized. You can create some categories and you can put some blog post under that category so your users can access that particular category. Coming next, we have reading. Here it will ask you what to set as a homepage of your website. Homepage is a page which displays when someone visits your website. When you visit fullytechy.com, my homepage will be a page called home. Likewise, you have to set a page for your homepage. You can set it to whatever page you want. And then we have post page. Whatever blog post you upload, all those blog posts will be appearing in your post page. Right now it is set to a page called blog. So whatever blog post I upload, those blog posts will appear in the page called blog. And you can also set how many posts you want to see in a page and everything. By clicking the collapse menu, you can hide this menu, and by clicking it back, you can get all this. WordPress is being the leading CMS tool because of its easy usability and open source software, so that you're getting a lot of options. And if you want to know the step-by-step process of creating a website using WordPress, then click this video. Thank you for watching.